Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Wagon cart, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. So there are many products available to choose from Wagon carts, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Wagon cart dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics Collapsible Folding Wagon, Heavy Duty for Sports, Garden, and Shopping. Introducing the Amazon Basics Collapsible Folding Wagon, your ultimate outdoor companion. So this heavy-duty utility wagon is perfect for a variety of activities, including family outings, sporting events, camping, gardening, and even helping pets with mobility issues. With a robust 265-pound weight capacity, this wagon is built to handle all your essentials with ease. Designed for convenience, the sturdy steel frame and extendable handle ensure easy maneuverability across different terrains. The wagon features exterior storage compartments for quick access to smaller items, making it incredibly practical for any situation. So when you're done using it, simply collapse the wagon down and store it in the included bag for effortless transport and storage. Measuring 27.6 into 40.9 into 20 inches, this versatile wagon combines functionality and style, making it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Don't miss out on the chance to make your outing smoother and more enjoyable. Number 2. Hikenture Collapsible Wagon, 330 lbs capacity, 200 L extra large wagons carts. Introducing the Hikenture Collapsible Wagon, designed for those who need a heavy-duty solution for transporting large loads effortlessly. With a remarkable 330 lbs capacity and an enlarged storage space 36.2 in 21.7 into 15 inches, this wagon eliminates the backache from carrying heavy items. What sets this wagon apart is its compact folding size of approximately 9 into 11.4 into 24.4 inches, making it incredibly easy to store in your car, closet, or garage. Crafted from a strong steel frame and durable Oxford fabric, it's built to last while being easy to clean. The all-terrain wheels ensure a smooth ride over various surfaces, while the flexible telescoping handle allows for effortless navigation. Whether you're hauling groceries, camping gear, or laundry, this versatile wagon is perfect for all occasions. It's delivered fully assembled and ready to use, making it an indispensable companion for your outdoor adventures. Number 3. Sekey 220L Collapsible Foldable Wagon with 330 lbs weight capacity, heavy duty. Discover the Sekey 220L Collapsible Foldable Wagon, your ultimate heavy-duty companion for outdoor adventures. With a remarkable weight capacity of 330 lbs and an enlarged storage space of 36.2 inches long, 22.4 inches wide, 14.2 inches height. This wagon offers 100% more volume than standard carts. It's perfect for fishing trips, camping gear, shopping hauls, and gardening supplies, all while keeping your beverages safe in the 2 mesh cup holders. Designed for convenience, this wagon features the smallest folded size on the market, collapsing down to just 1.36 cubic feet, making it easy to store at home or in your car trunk. The 7-inch diameter all-terrain wheels glide smoothly over various surfaces, while the durable 600D Oxford fabric ensures longevity, resisting tears from sharp objects. So best of all, it sets up in seconds with no assembly required. You can easily fold it with one hand. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty. Number 4. EchoSmile Heavy Duty 350 lbs Capacity Collapsible Wagon, Outdoor Camping Beach Wagons. So introducing the EchoSmile Heavy Duty Keto Collapsible Wagon, designed for all your outdoor adventures. With an impressive 350 lbs load capacity, this wagon features a robust metal frame and durable 600D fabric with a PVC coating, ensuring it's both waterproof and long-lasting. Its dimensions, 35.4 into 21.6 into 19.6 inches, offer plenty of space, while the compact folding size 30 into 20 into 7 inches makes storage a breeze. Setting up this wagon is a snap. There's no assembly required. Just unfold and go. Equipped with 4 to 7 inches, all-terrain wheels, it easily navigates through sand, snow, dirt, or grass, making it ideal for the beach, camping, or even trips to the park. So the adjustable, telescopic handle can extend from 20 into 30 inches, providing comfort while pulling heavy loads. Perfect for a variety of uses, the EchoSmile Wagon simplifies your outdoor activities. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Get ready to enhance your outdoor experiences with this versatile folding wagon. Number 5. LUXCOL Collapsible Folding Wagon Heavy-Duty Wagon Cart for Sand with Big Wheel. Introducing the LUXCOL Collapsible Folding Wagon, your ultimate companion for all outdoor adventures. With an impressive 350-pound hauling capacity, this heavy-duty utility in is perfect for transporting everything from groceries to camping gear. Its roomy 200L storage capacity features wider and deeper dimensions, allowing you to carry backpacks, coolers, and even bulky equipment with ease. Crafted with a reinforced steel frame and durable 600D Oxford fabric, this wagon is built to last and withstand wear and tear. The 4 all-terrain wheels ensure smooth navigation across various surfaces, while the ergonomic telescoping handle provides maximum maneuverability with minimal effort. Lightweight at just 20 pounds, the LUXCOL wagon folds down easily into a compact size for convenient storage in your trunk, garage, or closet. Plus, with 2 mesh pockets for your essentials, you'll have everything organized and within reach. Whether you're headed to the beach or setting up a picnic, this versatile wagon makes transporting your belongings a breeze. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.